Are you looking for the best budget IEMs under $25? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best budget IEMs under $25 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Truthear GATE. The Truthear GATE has emerged as the consensus favorite in the sub-$25 segment, earning universal praise from audio communities for its unexpected maturity. This single dynamic driver IEM employs a brand new carbon LCP high-rigidity diaphragm and optimized acoustic structure that delivers noticeably clean sound with minimal distortion. The GATE follows a well-balanced soft U-shaped signature with controlled sub-bass emphasis and upper mid-range boost, creating a presentation that sounds professional without sacrificing engaging musicality. What distinguishes the GATE from other budget competitors is its exceptional included cable, which reviewers consistently describe as rivaling accessories found in models costing significantly more. The included oxygen-free copper cable demonstrates that Truthear understands budget-conscious buyers deserve premium accessories. The design has been thoughtfully refined with a lightweight PC plus ABS composite shell featuring a transparent faceplate, providing visual appeal alongside functional comfort. Multiple ear tip sizes, 4 pairs thick diameter, 3 pairs thin diameter, ensure fit optimization for virtually any ear shape. Number 2. Moondrop CHU II. The Moondrop CHU II represents an intentional evolution from the wildly successful original CHU, implementing meaningful refinements based on community feedback. The CHU II delivers noticeably more bass presence than its predecessor, extending the bass emphasis from sub-bass through approximately 400 Hz, creating a fuller, more impactful presentation. Importantly, this bass elevation remains moderate enough to prevent muddiness or bleed into the mid-range. Bass remains well-articulated, textured, and dynamically distinct. The metal shell construction provides premium build quality despite the ultra-budget price point. The compact design ensures comfortable extended wear even for users with sensitive ears. Listeners consistently report the CHU II as an excellent all-rounder suitable for everything from music discovery to gaming to casual commuting. The alloy casting cavity ensures both rigidity and fine texture, while a durable paint layer protects the metal shell from corrosion. Number 3. KZ EDX PRO. For absolute budget minimalists, the KZ EDX PRO represents exceptional value, with community ratings praising the outstanding value for money despite modest audio quality ratings. This model undergoes a complete redesign within the EDX series, maintaining the original's reputation for affordability while comprehensively improving performance indicators. The EDX PRO features a 10mm superlinear dynamic driver engineered for balanced acoustic performance across low, mid, and high frequencies. The bass delivery is notably dynamic and powerful, ideal for bass-forward genres like hip-hop, electronic, and rock, while the overall V-shaped tuning appeals to listeners seeking engaging, energetic sound signatures. The design incorporates a professional acoustic chamber ensuring accurate frequency response across the entire spectrum. The resin-inlaid metal technology highlights extraordinary texture, while the combination of resin and wide range of color options displays modern and eye-catching design. Number 4. Moondrop Quarks, Original. While the CHU II has become the newer recommendation, the original Moondrop Quarks remains a legitimate ultra-budget contender, beloved by communities for its neutral, analytical presentation. The original Quarks established the modern standard for budget IEM performance and remains widely available with strong customer ratings. The original Quarks delivers a clear, neutral to bright tuning focused on detail and clarity rather than bass emphasis. This characteristic makes it especially suitable for listeners prioritizing instrument separation, vocal clarity, and detailed instrumental texture over bass impact. The small, comfortable shell design ensures minimal ear fatigue during extended listening sessions. The unique design features a fully transparent and small shell, making it exquisite and full of geek flavors. The powerful composite magnetic micro-diaphragm dynamic driver delivers unbelievable amplitude frequency response curve that is highly in line with HRTF characteristics. Number 5. CCA CRA. The CCA CRA stands as one of the most affordable options in the ultra-budget segment, yet maintains strong community ratings. This entry-point IEM delivers bright, energetic sound through a single dynamic driver with V-shaped tuning optimized for detail retrieval and clarity. Despite the minimal price, the CCA CRA arrives with a quality detachable 2-pin SPC cable and multiple silicone ear tip options for fit optimization. The high sensitivity ensures the CRA works perfectly with phones, laptops, and portable sources without requiring dedicated amplification. The bright V-shaped signature appeals to listeners seeking clear, detailed sound with energetic treble and pronounced bass impact. The upgraded 3.8 mu ultra-thin diaphragm delivers fast response, crisp treble, and clear definition across your music. The strong magnetic dynamic driver produces tight, impactful low end without muddying mids or vocals.